Can we talk about something that every girl or every woman needs to know, but no one really talks about it, which is what? Feminine hygiene. From using the wrong soaps to treating discharge as if it's a disease. This is the conversation I wish someone had with me when I was 15 years old, and even more when I became a mom. Hi BTs, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Gloria, and on this channel we are all about beauty, motherhood, and a little bit of lifestyle. So do want to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on all the amazing videos I'm bringing to you from this. I'm bringing to you on this channel. I'm so excited. Let's get into it. First thing that I think every girl or woman should know is using harsh soaps or regular soaps to clean your vagina. Like, why? I used to do this before and I'll be experiencing itching on Pro Max, and I'll be like, what kind of infection is this? I never knew that it's because of that soap I was using. I know that we have been taught to keep our vagina very clean, but they did not tell you that you should not use harsh soap. They only told you to clean to make sure that your vagina is clean, because actually the vagina cleanses itself. It's a self-cleansing organ. It is not something that you have to do too much. When you are using harsh soaps, it actually does more harm than good. It kills healthy bacteria. Yes, there are bacteria down there, healthy bacteria. So if you are using harsh soap, it's going to kill it. It can lead to different kinds of infection. Got this simple bar soap that I wanted to use, and it was written for sensitive skin. Ignorant me, I went and used it down there. I was thinking because it's written sensitive skin, I can actually use it down there. When I used it, after a few days, my eyes was seeing my head. My eyes was seeing my head. I was like, what? Who sent me? You know that I spent a lot of money to treat myself because it actually developed into an infection. It was itchy and I was scratching badly. I didn't even know that it was because of the soap. I thought it was an actual infection that, maybe I just got infection from toilets or whatever. I don't know. But I did not know it was because of the soap. So please don't try it. Anything soap that you know that is not meant for down there, don't try it. Even if it's soap that is meant for down there, please don't use it inside down there. Use it around your vulva area. That is where you should clean. If you want to clean your vagina, like if you really want to clean down there, clean your vulva, clean the vulva area, leave inside there. Inside there will clean itself. Just use warm water to clean. For me, I use warm water. For now, I don't use any feminine wash. I use only warm water to wash down there for now, and it's always very clean. Another thing that can cause that infection or itchiness, you want down there to be smelling fresh and smelling nice, is I will see some people, they will get body mist or body spray or even perfume. They will take their panties and spray it on the outer part of the panties, like that part that will cover down there. They will carry it, spray it, and you now wear it. For your mind, it's going to make that place to be fresh. It will make that place to be smelling nice. Infection is looking at you like this. Okay, girl, I'm coming for you. Please don't do that. You don't need all of that. Just make sure that your undies are clean, wash down there properly clean, and you are good to go. Let me say this also. When you are done cleaning that area, make sure to use a towel to pat dry, or you can just get your mini fan, spread your legs, blow it there, let it dry. Don't use tissue because some pieces of tissue can actually trap in there, and before you know it, you start building odor. So please don't do that. And that clean towel should be for that place. Don't go and be using the towel to clean your face, please. You need to think of your intimate area like your eyes. You see, your eyes is very delicate and very sensitive, and it can easily be irritated. I'm sure that you will not want to scrub your eyes with any antiseptic liquid. Will you go and take antiseptic liquid and scrub your eyes with it? That is how you should treat your intimate area. Another thing that I was never taught is discharge. I've always misunderstood discharge. Even from my teenage age to adulthood, I've always misunderstood discharge. In fact, those days, if I see discharge, I always feel ashamed of myself. I always feel dirty. I always feel like something is wrong with me. Like I never saw discharge like anything good at all. Discharge, number one, is actually a sign that your vagina is working. You have reached that puberty stage, you've passed that puberty stage, and no discharge, nothing. Something is not right. Number two, it is your body's way of cleansing itself. You see all those discharge that is coming out of there? It actually means that your body is cleansing itself. That is why we call it a self-cleansing organ. So it's actually cleansing itself. It's cleansing and removing all those things that are not supposed to be there. It is a natural part of your menstrual cycle, especially before your ovulation, because sometimes before you ovulate, you will most likely always discharge. Even during your ovulation, you also discharge. That is also going to help you to know that you are actually ovulating. Now, I know that you might be asking which one is normal discharge and which one is not normal discharge, so that you know when something has gone wrong, right? Normal discharge is usually clear, creamy, white, stretchy, and has a very mild odor. Yes, that is normal discharge. You don't expect your discharge or that place to not have any odor at all. It's not having, I don't mean having bad odor. There's what we call bad odor and mild normal odor. It's not smelling funky or overpowering, that kind of thing. So that is a normal discharge. Then for abnormal discharge, it can be green or gray color. It can have this cottage cheese texture. It can have fishy smell, different kinds of smell. It can even be itchy, or you can even feel a burning sensation every time. That means something is wrong. Everything is wrong with your intimate area and you need to go to the hospital. Now, let me say this. Instead of running to go and get antibiotics or getting any herbs to insert there, because a lot of things happen, women do a lot of things. Instead of doing that, you first of all need to cool down and observe this your discharge. Observe it like 2 cycles. Observe the pattern of your discharge across your cycles. Observe it. Then it will now give you an idea of what is really wrong. It's also going to help you to get to know your body and also know how to fix it. Okay? Don't rush to go and get antibiotics and herbs. Understand this cycle. Except you know that you are feeling itchiness or you're having this burning sensation, please go to the hospital immediately. Let them know what they will do to you. Please. And also tell you what to do. Now, let me give you a few tips to manage discharge hygienically. Number one is for you to change your underwears daily. I've seen a lot of girls. I've seen some girls. Let me not even say a lot. I've seen some girls that they don't change their underwear. So, like they can wear one underwear 3 times. Sometimes they can even wear it for a week. Oh my God, I have seen it. I have seen it. Someone have worn underwear 3 times. One underwear without washing, 3 times. Please don't do that. Always change your underwears. The one you wore yesterday is not the one you should wear today. When you wash it, remove it, wash it. You wear another one. Get a dozen of it and keep. Number two is for you to avoid panty liners daily. Some people don't want to be wearing panty liners every day. When once their period is almost finished. Panty liners actually traps in moisture. Yes, it's important to have panty liners. Some cycles, your discharge might be much. You might experience like high level of discharge, but that doesn't mean that you should be using panty liners every day. Please allow that place to breathe. Give that place some space. What is it? Please don't do that. Don't use panty liners every day. It will trap in moisture, and before you remove it, everywhere will be smelly. Please don't do that, okay? Panty liners should be used occasionally. That is why I say some cycles you might experience high level of discharge. You can use panty liners because you will not want to stain your underwears. So you can use panty liners, but please don't use it every day. Another tip for you to manage discharge is for you to wash your underwears properly. Don't go and be using bleaching agents or even strong detergents. Please get a mild soap, a mild multi-purpose soap that you can be using to wash your underwears. I use Premier or even Viva soap. I prefer to use tablet soap to wash my undies. I don't like using detergents because I feel like it's harsh, and sometimes when you wear it, you start feeling itchiness. So please be mindful of the kind of soap or detergent that you use to wash your underwears. There is nothing to be shameful about. Understanding your discharge is understanding your health. Trust me, it is very, very important. Third thing that no one told me about before now is not caring for period hygiene. This one that I will wear pad from morning till night. I can even wear pad till the next day. Oh my God. Let me tell you about period hygiene. Like, I don't mean changing your pads. I mean how we treat our bodies during our period time. Here are some of the things I used to do wrong. Number one is wearing pads for too long. Yes, I used to wear pads for morning till evening, till midnight. When you will see me change pad is if I see small stain like this. If I just sit down and I see small stain, or if I see that it is filled up like to the brim like this, like the whole of that part is filled, that is when I will change pad. And that happened during the 3rd day of menstruating, because first day I can change it because it's always heavy flow. First and second day I usually have heavy flow, but 3rd day, 4th day I'll wear it from morning till night straight, which is very wrong. Please don't do that. Don't do that. I've learned my lesson. Don't do it. When you are on your period days, take it very personal. Make sure that you wash your vulva, because sometimes blood stains, blood clots, tiny blood clots can circulate around there. Open there, get a mirror, get warm water, wash down there very, very well, especially when you know that you have hairs, like you don't shave, because some people don't used to shave, which is wrong. You are supposed to be shaving, whether you are menstruating or you're not menstruating. Shave so that you will see road and clean that place very well. Another thing that I used to do wrong is not carrying extra parts. I have been embarrassed with period stains many times. Yes, because I did not carry extra parts. Because I was always doing, this one can carry me for the whole day. This one can carry me till I come back. I did not carry extra parts, no extra parts, nothing. I'll just go out like that. Please don't do it. Don't do it. You will be embarrassed. Shame will finish you. And I don't want that for you. That's why I'm telling you. Don't do it. Okay? This is why some of these things are harmful. If you don't change your pads, it can lead to infection and odor. Yes. To cause discomfort. Yes. Sometimes I will wear this thing to the point that I will not be feeling somehow. Like I'll be feeling wet. Like I will be feeling wet. And I will still leave it like that. Change your pads regularly. Change even your underwears. If you found out that your underwears is stained, please change it as well. To build a period kit, which are your pads, painkillers, your wipes, and tissue. It is very, very important, okay? So you will not get an emergency or it will not take you unaware. So did you learn something new today? If you wish that someone has taught you this earlier, please go ahead and share this video to your sister, to your friend, to anyone that you know really needs this video. Share it because it's very important. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on all the amazing videos I'm bringing to you on this channel. And if you want more content like this, leave a love emoji in the comments and I will sure create more content like this for you. Okay, see you in my next video. For now, bye.